Once again, hi everyone, welcome you all to my online class of e-commerce. In this video, we are going to discuss the rest part of the first video, that is social, ethical and political issues in e-commerce. The second issue of social issue is the shipping issue. The second issue that I will discuss are shipping issues. Shipping issue means that when the buyer buys a product from the seller and the seller is from other state, then they should use shipping to send the product to the buyer so that it can arrive at the place of buyer stay. In shipping, they need to have a good data management means that the seller needs to manage the data securely, such as address of the buyer, name of the buyer, credit card of the buyer information and contact information of the buyer to deliver the product correctly and on time as provided. If product does not get delivered, then the buyer feel that he get cheated by the seller. It is very important because if the buyer feels they get cheated by the seller, then they won't go to website again to purchase the products. This is political issue. Uh, in political issue, there are three issues: tax changes like increase or decrease in tax, regulatory changes, political situation in country. So first we discuss tax changes. Increase or decrease in tax could be an example of a political element. Your government might increase its taxes for some companies and lower it for others. The decision will have a direct effect on your business. So you must always stay up to date with such political factors. Government interventions like shift in interest rate can have an effect on demand pattern of a company. The second one is regulatory changes. In regulatory changes, government could alter their rules and regulations. This could in turn have an effect on a business. For example, recently change in FDI policy for e-commerce aimed at checking predatory pricing and deep discounting. The government banned e-commerce players from forcing vendors to have exclusive deals on its portals. The government also aimed at enforcing a gap of 25% on the inventory that a marketplace entity or its group companies purchase from a vendor. Due to this, big players like Amazon, Flipkart impacted in a big way and they changed their business process. The third one is political situation in country. So, lack of political stability in a country affects business operations. This is especially true for the companies which operate internationally. For example, an aggressive takeover could overthrow a government. This would lead to riots, looting, and general disorder in the environment. This disrupt business operations. Sri Lanka was in a similar state during a civil war. Egypt and Syria faced the disturbance too due to political issue. Thank you. That's all for the political issue.